Hi guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, today we have more things to fix on our daily niva. So I was driving some friends in the Lada and they said that something wet here. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is the water, the antifreeze that's leaking, and that's really not good. So for today we need to change the heater unit, radiator for heating. Well, we need to take apart a little bit of the interior, but hopefully not that much, so let me show you. First we need to pull all this out. Come on, like this, and disconnect all the switches out. Then we have a bolt here, a bolt down there, and a bolt on this side. So yeah, then we can pull all this out and then see what else we need to remove. So yeah, let's remove all this. Okay, so I disassemble it and now we can see that radiator. And to remove this fan you have four like this metal clips that are holding it in, and you just need to pry it out and then this just falls out. So yeah, now we need to remove this, and to remove it you have two bolts here and two bolts on the other pipe. And I'm gonna remove this ventil, this heating regulator, because I have a new one and it's good to replace it when you're already down here. So yeah, this is it. Now we just need to remove those couple of bolts and then everything is out. So yeah, let's go. Well, I really didn't expect this. So yeah, it's good that I replace it, and that is also good to know. So everything is falling through here, and this is the reason why I put this on, to protect it from all that junk. So yeah, that's all fall through there and get clogged up on the radiator, and probably somewhere it's formed a leak. So yeah, that's really not good. This is some dead bug right here, so just put that cover on the hood, it's gonna help you a lot. So yeah, it's time to clean the car a little bit and then we can put a new one in. So I get some air and everything is cleaned now, and this is the new pretty one. So yeah, we are gonna replace that, but before that I'm gonna change a heater regulator unit. It's just so that you can turn on and off your heating, and it's really hard to record it. It's really not that much room there, so I'm just gonna replace it off the camera, but you have two bolts here more to remove, and that's it. And the important thing is to put a new gasket. So one gasket if you're replacing your regulator, and two more gaskets to replace your old gaskets and the pipe that's going in your radiator. So yeah, now I'm gonna replace this. You're not gonna see that, but now we are ready to put that back in. So yeah, let's go. Everything is cleaned and everything is ready. It's a little bit tricky to put it together, but at the end I removed this plastic cover. It's one bolt here, one bolt there, and the same on the other side. You remove this plastic and then you can easily put this new one in. Okay, so now, because when I'm filming you're not gonna see anything, you just put this radiator in and bolt it to the pipes. So I'm gonna try something else and let's see how our new radiator is looking. So everything is in place, everything is connected. So now we need to turn the car on and we need to remember to fill up some antifreeze because it's gonna suck in, but not that much. But before you turn on the car, I'm just gonna clean up this spaghetti so that it doesn't short out anything. So now it's time to turn on the car. And before you turn on the heating, just leave your car for a couple of minutes to warm up and then open the heating. So yeah, let's turn the car on. Lada is running and she is not sucking any more fluid. So now we can see, and no leaks, and she is nice and warm, so it's working and everything is dry. So yeah, this is it. And now I need to put everything back together, but I'm not gonna bore you with that, so you're just gonna see a final result with everything back together. Everything is complete and it's easier to remove your passenger seat. Then you can lay down and see a lot better, and it's a lot easier to do it that way. And now it's complete, everything is working, so we are done with this job. So yeah, that's awesome. And guys, always take a lot of pictures because I needed to put all the switches back, and I took a bunch of photos to see which wire goes where, and always is better to take more picture than less. So just click everything and you have photos, then it's really easy. So yeah, finally we have no more leaking coolant in the engine bay, and that's really awesome. And we have heating. That's good, that's really good. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and guys, see you in the next video.